Hi everyone, I'm a YJ. So I'm currently the Ho Chi Minh, the Vietnam, right? Today's gonna be the quick lesson. So give you one phrase. Uh, if you speak in the with full Japanese, I know I mean the full local Japanese there, right? I'll give you some. The phrase is like yabai, right? Casual word. It's mostly yabai is meaning like crazy, right? If you feel like shock something, right? Like uh someone your friends are doing like crazy things, so you have a reaction is uh you say yabai, right? Bye. For example, so if you go into the convenience store, then you can see some it's a new series item, new series of food. So we tend to say yabai ne kore, yabai ne kore. This the for example, so new item. So we say yabai ne kore, choi yabai ne, yabai, right? It's good, yabai ne. The other one is like Yamua is meaning right. Yamua Yamu is meaning like just so your mental is down, right? You know, it's not mental sick illness like uh you are like the motivation are down. You don't have a the motivation like that, right? If you like lost your money, you lost the money, right? Yamua like that, right? Mm. Everything like like we tend to say. So what if so you're late and you go to the school, you're late, they go to the office on time, right? Then so you're I mean like so the bus that wouldn't come up there, right? Yamua, right? There's so many like casual word, right? If you were like the going to Japan about to work abroad, travel abroad, and making new friends. I mean, so a local Jap with local Japanese, right? Even just local the speak first. うん。日本人の人はこんなにゆっくりは話さないです。こんなにゆっくりは話さない。うん、もっと早いです。Right? 例えば、コンビニに行った時とかも、コンビニエンスストアに行った時も、あのなんだろう、物を例えばね、買った時とかも、早く、ゆっくり話してくれないです。うん、right? If you go into the convenience store, like, um, so the staff, so speak the first, right? If you speak so first, for real, mm, right? Sometimes like, so reading the textbook before the move to Japan, somebody like, getting confused, right? Even just like, um, the textbook that has also information, but so different the meaning, right? Like the local the people that is speaking so like only casual word, right? You know, if you go into the so convenience store, like so like some customer like being polite, but other customer is not, right? Right? Something like so local Japanese so easy to judge you your accent, you are like speak slowly, like so too much polite, your Japanese language. That's why. yeah, my opinion is don't read too much the textbook. Don't read like study that was a textbook, right? I know, I understood you guys needed the past exam in 5, in 4, 3. It's basically basic those of the textbook has so the basic Japanese word sentence, but the so the mostly people that doesn't use that, right? Mm. Some like a famous so travel YouTuber, right? So this guy is so the bump into the who Japanese that he say "O genki desu ka?" Right? It's kind of weird. So yeah, we never saying that. We never saying that. "O genki desu ka?" Right? Genki, right? So it's a casual word. Is genki. Oh, genki desu ka? O genki desu ka? It just this the o genki is o is like more polite word, but there's some weird, right? It's like old word, right? Cause so you know the who made it so a textbook, Japanese textbook, right? What name of the genki? What name was this textbook? I'll share you later. I'll share you so next video, okay? you know, they're kind of weird. O genki desu ka, right? So I never say that. I never say to the people like so who the met the first person, right? You know, right? I mean, just it's the one with my opinion, right? Just so we can follow, right? It's just a beautiful word, so Japanese polite word, right? Of course, you can use it, but if you live here, like as possible as like you should adapt so like a local Japanese, right? Because you know, so local Japanese so tend to judge you, right? Kind of saying like some yeah. Last night, some my the Philippine friends that asking me like local Japanese so doesn't like doesn't so welcome um foreigner. I think right. Yeah, it's my opinion, right? Don't get what wrong. Don't get what wrong. Okay, you can use it like "O genki desu ka?" Right? Mm. If we yeah, if I'm like you, just genki desu ka? Right? Mm. It's okay. Polite word. Yeah, I don't care. Polite word. Right? Mm. It's not rude. It's not rude. Polite word is good, right? Who like prospective so immigrant worker in here in Japan, right? Just you guys just so yeah can be like um a respected person, right? I mean just you guys respect to the so Japanese. That's why just you can trying to the use the polite word, something like that. You know. Let me do review again. Okay, it's only just a first phrase is やばいね。やばい is it crazy. おー、やばい。この商品やばいね。For example, おー、この商品やばい。やばい is like, so I like it, I love it, right? Ya bai is have so several meanings. So the やばい is I like it, right? Wow, so suck. やばい right? So suck. So several meanings. So we tend to use that. やばいわ、これやばい。Like, I saw the who random guys saw the crazy things outside, right? So, for example, so the man just naked, so walking the street, right? Oh, just this man, so やばいね、あいつ。やばくねやばくね right? やばくない right there, right? You know. Second one is, second word is, I forget. お元気ですか right? お元気ですかうん。When local they use it, 元気元気ですか元気してましたか元気してましたか Right? You don't have to choose it. So, 元気、元気。meaning is a more polite word. But, so, you don't have to, so, use that. 元気ですか So, like, yeah, 元気ですかIt's better. 元気ですか元気 if you the meet up to so the your friends